Hey, what is going on, everybody? It is Josh. We are going to try to do some new things with this video, not just how we're doing it, but I'm going to try to explain the why behind what we're doing. So with no further ado, let's jump into it. Well, something fell out of my pocket. Good morning. Hope you were doing well. We are out here on the water. Super early. It's the first time in a long time. So let's see if we can even remember how to do this. Should be fun. We got JT here this morning. And as you can see, sun is just starting to creep up. All right, so here we are. Forgot about the engine. Here we are at our first spot. I've sped this clip up. So much of this is just like, how much can you cast? How many times can you get your rod in the water? As you can see, I'm trying to bump the trolling motor. I'm trying to get over to where that point is. That's where ambush predators are going to be. If you're looking to catch fish, that's where they're going to be. But on the plus side of that, man, look how beautiful that sunrise is. I mean, that is amazing. But yeah, so it's really, now this water winds up being too shallow and I wind up having to go somewhere else. But that's what is going on right here in this clip. It's just, sometimes it's just cast after cast for hours before you actually catch something. And then honestly, on this one, I just included this because you can see the sunrise coming up. So the next clip you're gonna see, it's about to turn now. You see how it just picked back up. Just being out there with the peace and the calmness and the quiet, and all you got the wind, and then you get to see scenes like this. Honestly, it's why we push fishing so much. There's just a calmness in seeing creation. Like, you just heard that bird chirp and you're seeing the sunrise, and you can just see where Psalm says that the heavens declare the majesty of the Lord, and there's just nowhere else I would rather be. So here we got to some deeper water. You can't see it in the video, but right up against those mangroves there was a bunch of fish crashing. We weren't sure what they were. You can see all these birds. If you watch just between my legs, you'll see right there, I just missed. I don't know what it was. This is 2 casts later. And you see that blow up, and there's the hook set. I'll tell you, sometimes I'm stingy and I just...
No net or anything?
JT asked me if I want the net.
Didn't know we were netting ladyfish now.
I don't want to break my line, and this pole only has... Yeah, I was just explaining, I put different line.
Woo!
Even on a ladyfish you get excited.
Stop. God.
And then that's what you do. You just keep working down a shoreline. If you can look over, you see some birds on that shoreline. There's a little bit of current. This is almost getting to dead low tide, but
Look at that.
And there you go.
That? Oh, eating that?
It's a ladyfish.
Huh?
It's a ladyfish.
And just spit my hook,
No,
which is
don't
fine
want
because
to.
Well, that.
I don't want to bring them in the boat anyway. So here we've gone to a completely different spot. This spot goes from about a foot deep to about 6 foot deep right here. You can kind of see a little slick in the water. That's a drop off. This is the other side of the point that we were fishing earlier in the morning. I found a deeper way to get there. And that's what it's about sometimes. You just go out and explore. You know, and this was a slow day to begin with, and see this nice hook set on a, you're never going to believe what this is. From SpongeBob themselves, that is Miss Puffer. Kind of showing you there. Really thought the workout was going better until I watched the video back. Apparently not as in shape as I think I am. Look at Miss Puff go, though. She needs to get back to her driving school, I'll tell you that. I don't like touching pufferfish. They make me feel weird, so I'm just de-hooking it there. And then this is going to be like the end of the day. These are the last couple of casts of the day. When we came into this spot, something was, again, right there on that point. And a point is just where that island juts out, right? You know, and predators will hide on one side or the other. There's a big oyster bar right next to it. And wait for bait to come by, and then they ambush. And here you can see it was a real soft pull. And then all of a sudden, boom, we're on. Like, it wasn't a hard hit like I'm used to. And that would be a...
little stuck.
No.
Remember earlier I said,
You want me to take a picture? Like, be holding?
So that's a 17. JT's taking a picture right now. And then I'm like, oh, I remember the camera. Because I never remember. You know, it's a nice 17-inch
Oh, yeah.
juvenile snook. And that was it. That was our day.
oh man, I should have done a
So,
video.
if you got any comments or anything like that,
Mommy's
make sure you share, comment. We love you guys. Can't wait to see you later.